Are you willing to grow into a millionaire? You're in luck. Today, we're diving into a fascinating book, Quit Like a Millionaire by Christy Shin and Bryce Leung. We give a short introduction, a step-by-step guide, and more info about the book. Let's get started. The journey to becoming a millionaire involves a combination of frugality, smart investing, and a focus on increasing your income. It's not just about saving, it's about investing wisely and taking calculated risks. Step 1. Understanding how money works is the first step towards financial independence. Learn about the Financial Independence Retire Early, the FIRE movement. Understanding this concept is crucial. It involves saving and investing aggressively to achieve financial independence and retire early. Research more about it online, read blogs, and listen to podcasts. Reflect on how it aligns with your personal financial goals. Step 2. Implement frugality in your life. Review your current expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Create a budget that balances your needs, wants, and savings goals. Living below your means can free up significant amounts of money for investing. This doesn't mean living a life of deprivation, but rather making conscious decisions about spending and saving. Step 3. Dive into the concept of compound interest. Use online calculators to see how your investments can grow over time. This will help you appreciate the importance of starting to invest as early as possible. Learn about index funds and robo-advisors with artificial intelligence. Read articles, watch videos, and perhaps even speak with a financial advisor. Understand how to choose an index fund and how to invest in it. Step 4. The freedom of financial independence. Money is a tool that can buy you freedom, not just material possessions. Your freedom number is the amount of money you need to live comfortably without having to work. Knowing this number gives you a clear financial goal. Research more about it online or read the book to determine your number. Remember, the journey to financial independence requires patience, discipline, and consistency. To dive deeper into this living style, consider reading Quit Like a Millionaire. No gimmicks, luck, or trust fund required by Christy Shin and Bryce Leung. The principles in this book can guide you, but it's important to adapt them to your personal situation and goals. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more book reviews and insights.